The passports are gone. The money is gone. This bag was full a moment ago.
We have video. We saw you take things from this family.
At the airport, one quiet man looked ordinary, but his suitcase was full of stolen things.
My wallet is gone. I had it here only 1 minute ago.
Busy families forget small bags. Busy families are easy.
This airport is huge. Our trip feels real now, and I cannot stop smiling.
Then he saw Jace's family, and his next target was already chosen.
Passports, money, and tickets are here. This small bag must stay with me.
Stay close to us. Airports are exciting, but we must be careful today.
That man is walking close to us, but maybe the airport is just crowded.
Our check-in counter is here. We have time, but we should not waste it.
Check-in closes in 30 minutes, so we must stay focused and move carefully.
I want to look there, but I will stay with you because the trip comes first.
Excuse me, I am in a hurry. My flight is very important today.
No pushing, please. We have children here, and everyone can wait safely.
Oh no, my papers. Please, I am sorry. They are very important.
Here, sir. You dropped this near our suitcase.
I am so sorry, madam. The line moved, and I did not see your bag.
That red tag again. Why do I keep seeing it near us?
Thank you, kind family. I must leave now because my plan changed.
He said his flight was important, but now he is leaving the line. Good morning. May I see your passports and tickets, please?
The passports are gone. The money is gone. This bag was full a moment ago.
My wallet is gone too. He bumped my bag, and I did not understand why.
Does this mean we cannot fly today? Did our trip just disappear?
No one panic. We lost important things, but we still have our family together.
We need clear minds now. Think about what you saw, not what you fear.
The man with the black suitcase had a red tag. I saw it more than once.
And he left after the papers fell. Maybe the papers were not an accident. We are going to security now. We will report everything and ask for camera help.
Our passports and wallets were taken near the check-in line.
Please stay here. We will check the cameras and search the area.
Check-in closes in 25 minutes. I do not want our family to miss the plane.
I know you are scared, but fear cannot help us. Clues can help us.
Look at this screen. Tell me if this is the man you remember.
That is him. That is the man with the black hoodie, black suitcase, and red tag.
He touched my bag when he said sorry. That was not an accident. His sleeve covers Dad's bag. His hand is not where it should be.
We have a clear man on camera. He may still be inside the airport.
A patrol dog is already nearby. He can help, but we still need cameras and eyes. This is the bag he touched. I hope this can still help.
He found something. Maybe our trip is not lost yet.
Stay behind security. We can help, but we must stay safe.
The dog is going the same way the man walked after he left us. Every minute feels big now. I wish I noticed him sooner.
This is not your fault. Bad people make tricks, but good people tell the truth. He stopped here. He may have opened the stolen bag under this table.
That small blue piece looks like the zipper pull from Dada's bag.
Good eyes. The trail is still fresh, and we must move now.
I saw the red tag again. It moved behind that glass wall.
He is not walking to a gate. He is going to the side hallway.
That hallway connects to the luggage cart area and a side door.
Check-in closes in 15 minutes. If he leaves now, our papers may be gone.
Not here. I need to leave before they close the way.
There! I saw his black suitcase near the corner.
Do not shout. If he runs, people may get hurt.
For the first time, the hooded man was not calm. The clues were closing around him.
Jace, this hallway makes a circle. He will come out near the carts. We can go this safe way and tell security before he reaches the side door.
You can think fast, but you must walk with us, not ahead of us.
Good plan. We will block the side door and keep everyone safe.
Almost there. Just one more door, and I am gone.
Dad, that is him. The red tag is on the same black suitcase.
He is not going to a gate. He is trying to leave through that side door.
Sir, please step away from that door and stay where you are.
I am late for my flight. I do not understand why you stopped me.
Dad, he keeps looking at the trash bin. Maybe he wants to drop something.
Keep your hands where we can see them, please. His hoodie pocket looks full, and the shape is like a small wallet. You both helped enough. Now stay behind me and let security work.
The dog is marking this suitcase. Sir, open it now. This is my bag. You cannot open it without a good reason.
We have video. We saw you take things from this family.
You took our papers. Please give them back before more families get hurt.
You were one step from leaving, but now this case is over.
There are so many wallets. He stole from many people today.
Those families must feel scared too. Their trips may be in trouble like ours. Mom, I can see your wallet. The blue corner is right there.
That is our travel bag. Our passports are still inside.
These are your papers. We will write this case down and return them to you.
I was afraid, but you both stayed calm when our family needed you.
You found clues, but you did not chase danger. That is real bravery.
Thank you. I thought my family trip was gone forever.
He looked quiet and ordinary, but small clues showed the truth. Small things matter. A red tag, a strange coat, and one bad trick.
We have the papers back. Now we must check in before the counter closes.
We have only 7 minutes, but we can still make it if we stay together.
Your papers are ready. I am glad security helped you in time.
Thank you so much.
The trip is back. I thought we lost it, but we did not give up. Detective rule number 1. Stay close and remember small details.
Get it. Detective rule number 2. Tell an adult when something feels wrong.
I remember now. One person stops, and the whole family waits.
Goodbye, airport dog. You followed the secret path and saved the day.
This morning was scary, but we stayed together, and that is why we are here.
That day, Jace learned that a family is safest when every small voice is heard.